Hello guys! In this video, I want to show you how to go incognito in Safari on iPhone. So for that, all we have to do is to find Safari either on home screen or in app library. And now you just need to tap on this icon for tabs. So just tap on it once to see all of your opened tabs. And then on the bottom, you should see amount of opened tabs and this private section. So by tapping it, you can go incognito in Safari. As you can see, it adds additional privacy protection for tabs. And after you close one, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or autofill information. And also everything will be in the black color. So let me just show you this. Everything will be in this black color. We can switch back to our tabs and exit incognito. Now, in case if you don't see this private section here, then maybe you have some restrictions. To check this, go in your settings again and find screen time. Now you need to check this section content and privacy restrictions. And if it is turned on, like in my case, then go in this section, App Store, Media, Web and Games, and check web content. So here you need to make sure that you selected unrestricted option if you want to use private mode in Safari. Now let's reopen it. And yep, now private tab appears in the app. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.